Intro. Hey there, curious minds. Ever wondered who truly controls the stocks you invest in? How about a deep dive into one such stock, Voyager Therapeutics? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a richer understanding of the world of institutional investments and what it means for you, the individual investor. Understanding ownership. When we talk about ownership of a company, especially a publicly traded one, it's not always just individuals like you and me. In fact, institutions, hedge funds, and public companies can own significant portions of a company's stock. And today, we're unraveling the intricate web of ownership for Voyager Therapeutics. Institutional influence. Let's start with the big players, the institutional investors. These are usually large organizations like mutual funds, pension funds, and endowments. For Voyager Therapeutics, institutional investors have a commanding presence, holding a massive 43% stake. That's almost half. Now, why should you care? Because these institutions don't just sit idle. Their decisions, driven by thorough analyses and big data, can heavily influence a company's share price. A substantial institutional stake, like the one we see in Voyager Therapeutics, is generally seen as a vote of confidence. These institutions have massive resources, and when they invest, the market listens. But remember, while their endorsement can be a good sign, it's no guarantee against potential risks. The major stakeholders. Diving deeper, 6 significant investors have their hands firmly on the wheel, jointly owning 51% of the company. That's right, just 6 entities controlling over half the company. Among these, hedge funds, known for their active investment strategies, hold about 17% of Voyager Therapeutics. These funds often have a say in company decisions and aim for value creation in the short to medium term. Leading the pack is Neurocrine Biosciences, Inc., with a solid 20% of shares. Following closely are EcoR1 Capital, LLC at 8.8%, and Armistice Capital, LLC at 8.3%. Insider insights. Switching gears, let's talk about the insiders. These are the people at the heart of the company. Board members, executives, and sometimes even the founders or CEOs. For Voyager Therapeutics, the insiders collectively own a piece of the pie worth $14M of the company's $399M. Insider ownership often signals that the people running the company have their skin in the game. They're invested, quite literally, in the company's success. This alignment of interests can be a positive sign for shareholders. But as with everything, balance is key. Too much power concentrated among a few can sometimes be a cause for concern. The role of the general public. Now, where do we, the individual investors, stand in all this? Collectively, individual investors like you and me own 17% of Voyager Therapeutics. While this might not seem like a lot compared to institutional investors, don't underestimate the power of the people. Even with a smaller stake, the collective voice of individual investors can influence company policies and decisions. Public companies and strategic stakes. Another fascinating piece of the puzzle is the 20% stake held by other public companies in Voyager Therapeutics. This could be a strategic investment. Maybe these businesses see synergy, or perhaps they collaborate in some capacity. It's always exciting to speculate on the reasons behind such significant investments. Final thoughts and next steps. Ownership structures, like the one we've explored today for Voyager Therapeutics, provide a window into the dynamics of power and influence in publicly traded companies. They offer insights into potential risks and opportunities. But here's a pro tip. While understanding the present is crucial, it's the future that holds the key. The past performance of a stock, its current ownership structure, and even market sentiment are just pieces of the puzzle. What truly matters is where the company is headed. Conclusion. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into Voyager Therapeutics' ownership breakdown. Remember, every investment decision should be based on thorough research and a clear understanding of the market dynamics. Stay curious, keep learning, and as always, happy investing.